Hello, welcome back to Wonder Garden. Everyone wants their orchid pots to bloom beautifully and stay healthy. But to achieve those stunning flower spikes, the most important thing is helping your orchids stay strong from the inside out. Today, I'll show you how to make a super simple organic fertilizer using only familiar ingredients you already have in your kitchen. With this method, your orchids will quickly recover, grow strong new roots, develop greener and shinier leaves, and soon produce beautiful flower spikes again. If you're a beginner, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any orchid care tips. Now, let's get started. To make today's fertilizer, I'll be using coffee. Coffee contains plenty of natural nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and various trace minerals that help stimulate strong orchid root growth, boost resistance, and make the leaves greener, thicker, and glossier. This is a familiar ingredient, yet incredibly beneficial for orchids. I will use 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Mixed with 500 milliliters of boiling water. Then stir well so all the nutrients inside can fully dissolve into the water. Finally, cover it and let it sit until the solution has completely cooled before using it. During this time, I'll go around the garden and pick out the orchids to water lightly before applying the fertilizer. If you still aren't sure which pots are lacking or having enough moisture, let me show you. Pay attention to the roots. If they have turned a grayish-white color, it means the plant is in need of water to properly absorb nutrients. And if the roots are green like this, the plant has enough moisture and you don't need to water it further. Once you understand this sign, caring for orchids becomes much easier because you'll always know the exact moment your plant needs water, preventing root rot and avoiding unnecessary stress on the plant. Take a moment to observe the roots before each watering. This small habit will help keep your orchids healthier and growing more steadily. Many of you often ask why we need to water the plant lightly before applying fertilizer. This step helps the plant adjust to the moisture first, softening the roots so they can absorb nutrients more effectively. If the roots are dry and you apply fertilizer immediately, the plant can easily get shocked due to the sudden concentration of nutrients. Therefore, pre-watering acts as a preparation step for the roots, allowing the fertilizer to be absorbed more gently and safely. It's a small habit but incredibly important for protecting the roots and helping your orchids grow strong and healthy. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After finishing the pre-watering step, let the orchids rest for about 10 minutes before applying the fertilizer. After the coffee water has cooled, I'll strain out all the grounds and keep only the clear liquid for use. At this point, all the nutrients have dissolved into the water, and we can use it immediately to care for the orchids. Once filtered, the coffee water is light, won't clog the roots, and won't cause the growing medium to become waterlogged, making it very suitable for watering or misting the plants. To help the plants adapt more easily to the solution, I'll dilute the coffee water with 1 liter of clean water. Once diluted, the solution becomes gentler, suitable for weaker roots or orchids that have just been repotted. Method 1. I'll pour the coffee fertilizer solution into a watering can to water the base of the orchids in the garden. When watering, I'll pour slowly around the base so the solution has time to soak deeply into the growing medium and make direct contact with the root tips, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. Why is coffee beneficial for orchids? Coffee contains plenty of nitrogen, which promotes strong leaf and root growth. It also has potassium and phosphorus, essential minerals that support flowering and boost the plant's resistance. In addition, the organic compounds in coffee can help improve the structure of the growing medium, enhancing water retention while still maintaining aeration, ideal for orchid roots. When watered at the base with this diluted coffee solution, the roots gradually absorb the nutrients, helping the plant recover from within, grow new roots, and prepare for a healthy flowering phase in the future. Method 2. I'll use a small cup to hold the fertilizer solution and use it to wipe the leaves of the orchids. I'll prepare a soft cloth or a clean cotton pad, then lightly dip it into the diluted coffee solution. When wiping, I'll gently clean each leaf from the base toward the tip. Wiping in this direction helps completely remove dust, white residue, hard water deposits, or any buildup that dulls the leaves and reduces their ability to absorb light. Coffee contains many natural antioxidants along with mild minerals. When applied to the leaves, it helps the leaf surface become shinier and smoother while enhancing photosynthesis. This allows the orchids to absorb light more efficiently, producing more energy to nourish the roots and new shoots. Additionally, the coffee solution can help inhibit certain molds on the leaves, reducing issues like dark spots, blemishes, or soft, mushy leaves caused by bacteria. Wiping the leaves regularly, 1 to 2 times per week, will keep your orchids healthier, improve disease resistance, and help them recover faster after repotting or after exhausting themselves during flowering. Method 3. I'll pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle to evenly mist it over the entire orchid plant. When spraying, keep a reasonable distance so that a fine mist evenly covers the leaves, stems, and even the small crevices between leaves. This allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through the foliage while providing gentle moisture, especially helpful on dry days or when the plant has just recovered after repotting. The coffee in the solution provides nitrogen and trace minerals, helping the leaves become glossy, thick, and healthy, while also stimulating more efficient photosynthesis to supply energy for root and flower bud development. The fine mist also helps reduce the risk of fungal growth on the leaves and creates a moderately humid environment around the plant, allowing the orchids to grow naturally and vigorously. Remember to spray in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding direct harsh sunlight, so the nutrients are absorbed optimally without scorching the leaves. With regular care, the plant will recover quickly. Leaves will stay glossy and green, roots will grow strong, and it will be ready for new flower buds to emerge. Besides using it for orchids, this organic coffee solution can also be applied to other garden plants, such as anthuriums, lilies, or other green-leaved ornamental plants. The natural nutrients in coffee help roots grow well, leaves stay glossy and green, boost plant resistance, and improve nutrient absorption from the soil. Especially for plants that have just been replanted or are recovering after flowering, watering or spraying this solution helps them stabilize quickly, reduce stress, and stimulate balanced growth of roots, leaves, and flower buds. This is a simple, cost-effective method that provides long-lasting benefits for most of the plants in your garden. Finally, after care, don't forget to place the plants in a well-ventilated spot with gentle light, avoiding direct, harsh sunlight. Light is extremely important for orchids. When you combine proper organic nutrition with suitable lighting, the plants recover faster, roots grow strong, leaves become glossy green, and new flower buds will soon appear vibrant and healthy. Results. After a period of care using the coffee solution, my orchid pots have recovered remarkably. You can clearly see numerous new roots growing densely, with plump green tips indicating that the plants are absorbing nutrients very well. The leaves have also become glossy and firm, no longer soft or wrinkled like before. What makes me happiest is that some slow-growing plants have even started producing new flower buds, signaling that they are completely healthy and ready for the next blooming cycle. This proves that with just a simple ingredient like coffee, you can help orchids recover, grow, and begin a new flowering cycle. Care for your plants every day with patience and love, because when you nurture them properly, they reward you with vibrant, healthy, and lively flowers. Every greener leaf, every longer root, every opening bud is the result of the attention you've given them. When you truly connect with your plants, you'll realize that caring for them not only helps them grow, but also brings you joy and daily relaxation. What do you think about the method of caring for orchids using organic fertilizer that I just shared? Have you ever tried a similar approach? Leave a comment below so we can exchange ideas. I'd love to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Garden so you won't miss the next plant care tips. Thank you for watching.